Saan? Si Durant?
Joey Moses checked in for Bogdanovich.
Uy, sayang. Hindi ko na
Here's Clarkson. It's blocked.
Malutong!
And here we go. Brooklyn fast break. Brings down the ball. They grab it.
Hindi na ako makariba.
Claxton. They kick it out to Green.
Boom! Malutong!
And it's a 12-point Brooklyn lead.
And Green's become a dependable three-point threat. If you don't get a hand in his face, you can certainly knock those down.
Kumon.
Ingles has got 6.
Ay, tres ba yun?
Tapos yun. Walang tao sa gitna.
Now that bucket.
They're just so smooth. Kyrie Irving identifying the opening and then letting it rip.
Then the pass to Clarkson. Now here's Conley. Green with the block.
Chico!
Over in the corner, Conley. And it's off from three-point range. Nets leading by 11. Oh, and a fast break for the Nets. With 3, Harris.
Chico!
With the rebound.
Well, they have the advantage, but you're still...
Wag na, wag na. Hayaan mo siya kasi.
Needs to find a way
Hayaan mo,
to get
hayaan mo
them
lang.
going.
You want easy looks?
9 na lang ulit.
Defense.
Kakahabol na ito si Mang Pangamas and Friends.
Great opportunity and the finish pretty good.
Ano nangyari?
Ako, nagaw pa yung udar.
Down low. O'Neal.
Tay, matatalo ka pa yung udar ah.
Hindi siya big.
7 na lang yung udar. Tandaan mo yan.
With a passer's mindset, he deals it with conviction.
Wait, throw
A
to.
different look for Utah. Derek Favors checked in for Gobert.
Takot na kasi si Irving mag-foul.
And down in the mix, subbed in for Mike Conley. And a change for the Nets. Griffin's checked in. Here's Irving. Long kicks to Griffin.
Press ka na dyan.
Nets working the ball around now.
Uy, akin.
Nabangga sa paa.
Na-foul pa.
Patay na. Kinukutuban ako ng malalim ah.
Wago ka.
Last 3 minutes.
Wow,
Maganda po.
Slow rotation there defensively, and he gets a wide open look from mid-range.
Okay, habulin ka niyan yung udar. Last 3 minutes yan eh.
Seconds na lang, seconds na lang. Patay na! Nawawala na sa sabi.
Last 3 minutes. Lalagot.
Tingin na.
Hindi ka na umasok. Ayun na. Tres.
Over in the corner, Conley. O'Neal gets to Clarkson.
Ay,
Yun o.
ilaw.
Lagot.
Another three.
Give Jordan Clarkson a ton of credit. He has worked tirelessly on this shot.
No good for
My
Jordan.
goddess.
Listen, he knows he should have made that shot. We'll see if they can work it back to him in that same area.
Shots good by Clarkson.
Pampulo.
Ayun na. Last.
Uy!
Kunti lang. Habulin ka niyan yung udar. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes pala.
This may just come down to
Putang ina mo.
Sayang
Sayang
kunti.
possession.
Kunti na lang oh. Tatlong tres lang yan.
Irving with a clean look.
Naiiwan.
Gumagaling talaga si Irving.
Naiiwan siya.
Nag-foul pa dun oh.
And the Jazz call time here. They're down by 12.
Tatlong tres lang.
1:43 left in the fourth.
Nagpatalastas pa si Mang Thomas ah.
To present the
New Balance.
Kaya nga, at least eh.
Kyrie Irving.
And it's been a ridiculous performance in the best sense possible. I mean, everything about his game has been working, and no matter what they throw at him, he's had the answer.
Time to come in here, facing the high school crowd, and have a game like he's had.
Muntik
That's
pang
what
maging foul.
separates the good players from the great players.
Boy, don't let the small frame fool you. Mike Conley's so tough on the interior.
And so Mike
Yun,
Conley
10 na lang.
Brooklyn leading by 10. Outside Irving. There's the pass to Jordan. Irving kicks to Harris.
Yay!
On the three.
And he didn't punish them for the weak coverage there, but they can't count on him to continue missing.
Shots good by Clarkson.
Jordan Clarkson showing he's capable of finishing inside.
Moving against cover. On the way, Harris.
Tangin na, nag-up.
I don't know if he's tired.
Last 1 minute. Ay, may foul. Nako, 3-point play pa naman yan, Yudar. Yaro ka.
Right on the first, and that narrows the gap to 7. O'Neal at the ball.
Lalagot. Ano na lang, Yudar. Oh.
Those shots. They've got to keep eating away, I believe.
4 na lang, Yudar. Ay, 6 pala.
Kicks to Brown. Pass to KD. And here's
Wala ka.
And it's blocked by Conley. Scored by
na.
O'Neal.
Uy, sayang. Steve.
Sayang.
Stepping, oh.
Yeah.
Stepping pa eh.
Tik, wow.
That's what it's going to take here.
KD dishes to Jordan. And here's Harris from the arc. A rebound by the Jazz.
He is single-handedly dropping.
Wala, makakahabol pa to, Yudar. La, foul counted, oh. Hindi ka na.
He is trying to shoot his way out of it. And it might be
Kinakabahan si Yudar dun, ah.
the basketball at this point.
Ay, magandang laban ito. 4 na lang, Yudar. 4 na lang, Yudar. Yeah, lagot ko yun. Yung tinaw.
Foul na.
This guy is an effective shooter from just
Kailangan foul yan para ano.
Ball's not loose. And that's an intentional foul.
Tik, wow. Buti na.
Piprito yan ni Yudar eh. Mautak yan si Yudar, tinan mo. Piprito niya, ipapaulin niya na ng papaulin yan eh.
the thing that maybe puts me in awe more than any other skill.
Sa mo na pangalawang game. Pangalsa mo na.
This guy has a variety of ways to attack and keep
Yun, titas-titas dun eh.
What
Lapat ulit.
confidence.
Uy!
Playing nicely down.
Uy, wag!
Seconds.
Nadikitan ito. Lagot, pumasok. Wala, isa na lang. Isa na lang, Yudar. Okay, close na close ang laban nito.
Bata.
Eh, oto ito ah. Teka lang. Naku po, tabla. Ay, dalawa pala. 3 oh.
Time out siya. May time out sa isa. Laro ko time out ko.
Duday na to, duday.
Oo, 3 mo na yan.
Pag sumablay sa tres to, wala na talo.
Oo. Tapos pinalo pa.
Sumablay talo lang. Oo, kasi papal na yan pag sumablay.
20 seconds left in the fourth.
Hindi ko hayaan yun. Hindi ko hayaan yun.
3 yan, tinan mo.
And it's either going to be a three-pointer or a score quickly and take the foul.
Pass to O'Neal. And here's Conley.
Yun, pagkusok. Lagot.
Tumalong siya.
Lagi tabla. Overtime. Overtime yan.
Wala, kaya pa yan. Sa laksak.
Oo, pwede.
Well, that's the whole
Gawi yan, di bisa nagpit. Tingnan mo.
Wala, tao-tao to.
Oo.
defense to account for it.
Titingnan natin.
Here's Durant. Knocks it loose.
Uy!
Stolen by O'Neal.
Kanagaw.
They could win it.
Kulang oh.
Overtime.
Cover.
And so all three fouls are good. But it's a
Ano natin?
3-point game.
3 points.
3 pero malawi pa. Ano, 22 seconds pa. Ito yung overtime. Overtime.
Uy, wag!
Wide open
Ako,
look.
mutika na.
Uy, wag!
To tie it up.
Lago, pumasok. Naku, tabla na naman. Dalawang mahigpit
Foul lang, foul.
mahigpit talagang labanan ah.
Here's Irving.
Foul lang.
Uy, nakabitaw ng ano. Kailangan dos rin yan.
Really just comes alive when the
Dos,
game
dos.
gets tight.
And the Jazz call time here.
Tignan
They're
mo.
trailing by 2.
5.6 seconds na lang. Titingnan natin to.
Uy, wag!
Uy, dinang. Ang lupit po. Tingnan natin kay Udar.
Hala, biniliwan! Patay na malikot!
Naku po, tres. Tres yata. Sayang eh.
Walang time out.
Gagi, nanalo si Udar oh. Walang time out eh. Sayang eh, no? Ganda na naman.